Selma Mtukudzi has confirmed kuti achange ariko to honor her father's legacy uye Desi ataura zviri pamwoyo pake kuti vanhu vanongomuti ndiye akonzeresa, but Selma anga asingaresponde to my promoters. Welcome back to your channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and to hit the notification button. Okay guys, so Selma ati iye to all who spoke up for me, you guys have been amazing. I'm extremely humbled by the love you have for my father, which has extended over to me. I will not take it for granted. And for that reason, and in honor of my father's legacy, I will be coming to Bakari Baya. Please come out in your numbers and let's do this the right way. I love you all. So vanhu vafara zvisingaita vakati aiwa matauriro awaita aya aiwa takuchiuya kuPakare Paya. Aiwa na DJ Ola vakati hevhika ndokuti munhu kauku ukanza ini ndichapinda kana iwe wakuridza vamwe ndo vari kudaro vana bunjirawo vari kuti well done for the humbleness Selma and refusing to take the toxic advice of boycotting or refusing to attend. That would have created a bigger wedge in your family when you are supposed to unite and be merry with each other. Life is too short to keep on carrying grudges. I would love to see you one day out on a holiday with Mama Desi, your step siblings and kids, or just a family get together. You are richer with each other. We will be there to support them too, because family. I loved your father. He used to give me free tickets for his shows at the Civic Center in Bloemfontein, South Africa. So ndibunjira uyo ari encourage kuti yes guys, you have done well in that Selma. You have showed humility and humanity. I'm sure even the legend is smiling in the yonder. What I know is most of the people or fans who were critical about this never wished the event to fail. We just demanded the right thing to be done. And here we go. See you kuPakare Paya. Isusu semaZimbabwenzi tinongofarira noise Roma Street. Asi chatinoziva ndechekuti you will keep shining and ndiwe uchaendesa them to the legacy kumberi. So people are going to come out in their large numbers vachino supporter just because Selma ariko uko kurukunze. She is the most human person that you can think of. So kurukunze at the height of COVID in 2021, musicians and local artists could not hold shows and faced serious financial challenges. Comrade Chinamasa is acting spokesperson and I, Mugwadi Arikunyora Aba, is the director of Info. Takataura na His Excellency Vamnangagwa Tikatwedwe. Proposition ekuti let's introduce my e-galas and my virtual concert to commemorate key national holidays to cushion my artist edu. We paid them beforehand through a facility created by His Excellency Eva Mnangagwa. We followed it up with donations to widows of fallen musicians. The president showed his appreciation handsomely during that time. Comrade Julai Moyo can testify. The artists and widows can testify. National hero Comrade Oliver Mtukudzi had passed on. We didn't have the widow's contacts. We called Selma Mtukudzi to collect the donations since she had been one of the key artists during the e-galas. She said, Comrade Director, the widow is Mama Desi and I can give you a contact so she comes and collect since I have benefited from participating in the galas. It's not about me and me alone. She gave the number and they came and joined others and collected. I don't mean to participate in the debate, but to bring this incident to your attention. So guys, murukungo zvuonerawo kuti she is the most human person that I know. Ari umwe aizongotora ozvinyararira zvake ozvidyira nemhuri yake, but tinongotenda kuti chero vari muofisi vaona kuti paitika botso apa vakati aiwa Desi usadaro mwana akatombokumiririra akabva aita zvakaita kuti ugone kubatsirika during COVID. I like one thing though, if Selma didn't inherit anything material from her father, she inevitably inherited his genes, his blood, his name, and somehow his fame. And he can't help, or she can't help rub it off. And ultimately, his legacy and blessing just keeps following her. No amount of deprivation, hatred, or assumptions A judgment can erase this. Anizodzora baba vake mwana we. She forces and keep fighting for it. You know what, girl? God is writing history. And one day we shall be gray-haired and tell it to our grandchildren how this gem started. And your story is a future motivation for the generations to come. And many lives will be saved. Guys, ndo zviri kubva mumastreets umu kuti Selma, you were very human and ukabatsira mama munguva yecovid. Desi ari kuuyawo akati vedwe inini I am now frustrated over this issue yaSelma involvement in the Tugu International Festival. Desi said, I am tired of that issue because people always put the blame on me. Vakati ivo, Selma was not responsible to event organizers, stating, I was told by the event organizers that she was not picking up because Selma was supposed to be at the forefront leading us, but she's difficult. Vakati ivo zvekuboycota izvo vatozvijaira Selma ndiye anofanira kuboycota saka ivo vakutongozvidzoserawo it will never change anything kuti inini kubva kare paya hatisi kuzomborega kuita. I don't know what people want me to do for Selma because she's not a minor anymore. She knows the right thing to do for the sake of protecting the family name as a Selma has kuda kuita. Aya ndiwo mashoko ari kubva kuna Desi. Vamwe vati aiwa guys samaika maifanira kungoti kuma organizer nyorai zita rake mozoona kuti anoramba sei kuuya. But you chose to scapegoat. I don't think Selma Mtukudzi is that a difficult person. Ratidzai rudo mama mandezimi kuzomusha zvinopfumurwa here pavanhu. Guys musadaro zvachose. So vamwewo manetizens ari kuti aiwa mama Selma is being taken advantage of since she's a stepmother. Saka zvakawanda vari kungoaccusiwawo and she always takes the fall. Pane vanyorawo zvakare vakati ivo vakaitanga kare kutevera nyaya kwaMutukudzi iyi, but every time vanhu vanga vachitomudismisa munyori vakati haiwa you are a hater iwewe haufariri mhuri yekwaMutukudzi. But ari kuti vedweka there has been a muted debate on how Desi has treated Oliver's children, especially those that she found already there, and it seems her behavior has not received enough condemnation. In our culture, when we cut a branch, we are usually encouraged to carry it namasanzo, the reason being that you are likely to find some use for those leaves later or somehow. But not with Desi, she would rather burn those leaves. When we thought she was just playing inheritance games, it turns out she wanted even more than that. She wanted to erase Mtukudzi's children from our collective memory. If it were not for the hullabaloo that arose from social media, Selma was not even going to take part in the forthcoming Oliver Mtukudzi International Festival. The late invite aside, is she going to give it her all, knowing that she is going to a party where she is not wanted? But that's not my worry and concern for the time being. I'm worried about the many Oliver Mtukudzis in our midst. What are we doing about our inheritance and the well-being of our children long after we are gone? Are we leaving enough cover for them? And that dance should start whilst we are still alive. These situations should be handled and solved. Tichiri vapenyu zvokuzoti vana vanokumbirirwa nenyika kusvika pamba pako chaipo. It should be an outright no. Rinenge ratova drama last number. So ndozvokutaurwa nemunyori akati nyaya iyi haina kutanga nhasi guys, haina kutanga nhasi. But anyway, vana havafaniri kusvika palevel rekunzi ukumbirirwe nyika yese kuti hatiuyiyo kusvika vanhu vaedza kusabotaja a big festival like that. Guys, zvisati zvamboitika muhistory yaOliver Mtukudzi. No guys, everything should be set up. Poitwa matrust, poitunyorwa mawill, poitwa chikuitira kuti mastepmother asabve atorera vana zvese rugare nemari. Guys, chii chakadaro chinenge ngozi Selma, but still she is going to Pakaripaya, and Selma also helped mama munguva yeCovid. So by now we expect kuona a beautiful united front of the Mtukudzi family. His legacy should live on, and we still need someone who's going to carry that legacy forward. Mama timbovaona vachiedza kuimba, but hazvisi kupaka that guys. Selma ndiye anezodzora baba wake. Do leave your comments on what you think. Kuti zvafamba zvakanaka here kana kuti pachine zvimwe behind us.